Guys, today I will explain you how you can fix Windows visor on your car. As of now, I have fixed one. I have purchased this one from dras.pk. You guys can. So actually, I got this one. I will show you the packing. So they sent me this package. Okay, what I found inside. This one is for the rear windows. This one is for the front windows. This one is for the front right side. Same way there was label for the each side. And I have also got this things inside it. What is this exactly? This is some clips. These are locks. We will see now what to do with this. Okay guys, now I will fix for my rear window. This one, no, this is for the other side. See, doesn't fit here. It's not like here. So this one is actually for the other side. I'll got another one. So this is the right one. Okay, before fixing it or before removing the tape, first you need to insert the clips at the right place. I will do one thing. I will open the mirror window, left open. Okay, just take one clip, get here so that I don't lose it because it's wind outside. It's one clip, another clip. You need two for it. Okay, you see here this rubber. If I can focus here, this rubber, just pull this rubber, pull it, just fix it like this. Just fix it, pull inside, that's it. It will fit. Then for the other side, same way, pull the rubber. Since I am using my one hand and on my other hand I have camera, just keep it like this and insert there. Next thing, I have to check the proper distance between these two. For that one, do one thing. If without removing the tape, just adjust the visor. Okay, then from the inside pull the clip so that you can see the hole here. So guys, now I have aligned one side. You can see through. I have to align other side. Once I do that, don't go away, I'll come back. Okay guys, now I have aligned the holes of the clip. As you can see through it, you can see the jacket green color. Then I have line hole here also. Okay, now next thing is we will put the lock inside these holes, but before that one we have to remove the tape, guys. For this I will remove this tape, the cover. Now from this side, it's done. Come here. So you have to fix the visor in the way you can see the holes. So I will fix it. I'll come back. Now I have fixed the visor with the window. Okay, and before fixing, make sure that this thing is clean. Okay, now next task is to insert the locks. So this is the lock. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, attach to certain side. Let's see, let's go through from the clip. Okay, you can ensure is it fixed or not. Okay. Now once it's gone through, just press the clip so that so just pressed it. Now it is locked, so you won't lose. Okay, next, same thing with the second clip. Sorry, second lock. There is lock. I'll put through this hole. And you will just see there is distance. Press it. You will hear the sound of click. It is done. So this is done. So as you can, I have fixed the locks. Okay, and the visor is also firmly fixed with the window. So this is how look now. Okay, so once I finish the other windows, so I will show you the whole car. How does it look like now?